Hi, I'm Kendra from Central Roofing. In today's video, we're going to give you 7 maintenance tips for flat roofs coming up right now. Tree branches and debris can clog up your drains, so maintain breathing room between your flat roof and trees. In other words, keep the trees short and trimmed. Use a leaf blower or broom to periodically clear the debris off your roof to keep it clean. A cool roof coating can save you money on your AC bill by reflecting the sun's UV rays and keeping the indoor room temperature cool. I'll drop a link in the description to learn more about cool roof coatings. Most people only think about their roof when it rains, but in most cases, the sun is what actually causes damage to your roof. So when it's not raining, check the seams and edges of the roof, as these are the most common areas for leaks. If you notice something amiss, you get them checked out by a professional roofer and fix it right away. At least twice a year, get your roof checked out by a professional. This can help you catch minor issues and prevent expensive repairs. Flat roofs are notorious for having ponding and drain issues, so make sure you have the right drainage system for your flat roof. If you find that your roof does need repairs, don't go at it alone. Instead, hire a professional roofer to get the job done right the first time. Using these tips will keep your roof in top shape for many years to come. Thanks for watching this week's episode. If you haven't already, please like, share, and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and we will see you in the next video.